Yo guys, it is Maddox Hans, and today we're at Lowe's to do their full 2024 Christmas display. Okay, you guys, so we're in the store. Okay, so let's see what they got. So right here they have a whole archway, which is really cool. This retails for $500, it looks like. Yep, these nutcrackers are really cool. I don't know if they work. It looks like one's moving right now, you can kind of tell. They retail both for $300. It's pretty cool. It's very cool. Over here we have some of the, I don't even know what you call these, just some cool decorations they have. All this, they have a huge Santa Claus, which is really cool right here. They have all this. They have a lot of good stock, for it. But yeah, let's go over to the other side. Go over to the other side, you can see they have all sorts right here. Very cool. They have a cool train. Retails for $180. I don't think they have Brumble set up. I might be mistaken though, but they have very cool stuff right there. Let's go down one of these aisles. They have all sorts of cool neon stuff. It's very cool. Their Christmas village. Very cool. All sorts of cool blow molds. Very cool. Elf on the Shelf. It's cool. Just some really cool stuff they got here for sure. Yeah, let's go look at the other side. I know they have some other stuff over here, or some people, so I walked away, but here's the other side of it right here. Right there. Now let's go check out the other side. So I just talked to a lady. They don't have Brumble set up. He's gone. He's sold out. So he's gone, but I mean, they still have some cool Christmas trees. They're going for some good prices this year. If you guys are trying to get a good Christmas tree, shout out to Lowe's for sure. We will be doing a Home Depot store tour as well. Let's go look at some lighting they have. They have some cool wreaths. Look at some of this lighting. There's some cool, they have all sorts of stuff. But yeah, I mean, that really sucks. I was hoping to look at Brumble, but they don't have them set up. So I guess that's really gonna end it for the store tour. It's not a whole lot. They have a lot of stock of Christmas trees, like normal, like they should. I think that's really it. They have some cool inflatables, but not really a whole lot of animatronics. We'll have to go to Home Depot next. That will be my next video for sure. But yeah, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this very short store tour. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.